welcome to another episode of Every Day We're Calculating. This episode, we're going to be talking about simplifying fractions. And well, simplifying fractions is simple. So let's get to it. So simplifying fractions means to reduce the fraction or to write the fraction in its lowest terms. That means we're going to write the smallest equivalent fraction that we can for the given fraction that we have. So when we're adding fractions, subtracting them, multiplying or dividing them, we're going to get an answer and we want to simplify that. So this is how you do it. The first step you want to do is find the greatest common factor of both the numerator and the denominator. So let's take the fraction 4/12. So 4/12, and I want to simplify that. I don't want 12 parts. I want to make that number smaller because they're easier to work with. So I'm going to find the factors of 4 and 12. So factors again are two numbers that you multiply together to get your product. So what two numbers when I multiply give me 4? 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So you want to write those in numerical order. So I have 1, 2, and 4. Now I need to find the factors of 12. So what numbers when I multiply together give me 12? It's always 1 in that number. So I have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, or 3 times 4, 2 times 6, and 1 times 12. And if I write those in order, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So now that I have the factors for both of them, I want to find what is the greatest number they have in common. And by looking at my chart, I see that 4 is the number that they have in common. Once you find the greatest common factor, you are going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by that greatest common factor. So in this case is 4. So I'm going to do 4 divided by 4, which is 1, and 12 divided by 4, which is 3. And my answer is 1/3. So the simplified version of 4/12 is 1/3. And 1/3 is a much easier fraction to work with versus 4/12. So again, you're going to find the greatest common factor. Then you're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by that greatest common factor.